Hey there, seniors. Ever catch yourself huffing and puffing after a short walk, thinking, who swapped my legs for noodles? Ha, we've all been there. But what if it's not just getting old, but a sneaky thief called sarcopenia stealing your strength? Stick around, because today I'm spilling the beans on 5 powerful foods that can help rebuild your muscles like nothing else. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. One of them might even surprise you with its space-age credentials. I'm your host on this health journey, and if tips like these keep you feeling strong and independent, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's quick, and it means the world to our little community here. Alright, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about what's really going on. Sarcopenia is that gradual muscle loss that creeps up after 50, making everyday things like carrying groceries or playing with grandkids feel tougher. But here's the good news, it's not inevitable. Simple changes in what you eat can fight back. According to experts at Harvard Health, boosting your protein intake is one of the best ways to preserve muscle mass as we age. They say older adults need more protein to combat this loss, up to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. And the Mayo Clinic agrees, noting that plant-based proteins can be just as effective for stalling age-related muscle decline. So, no need for fancy supplements, nature's got you covered. Let's kick things off with something humble, yet mighty. Chickpeas. You know those little golden nuggets in your salad or hummus? They're a game changer for muscle health. Packed with plant-based protein, about 9 grams in a 100-gram serving, chickpeas help repair and build muscle tissue. As we get older, our bodies aren't as efficient at this, but chickpeas step in like a reliable old friend. Plus, they're rich in magnesium, around 48 milligrams per serving, which keeps muscles contracting smoothly and eases cramps. Ever wake up with a Charlie horse? Magnesium might be the fix. But wait, here's a quick fact that'll wow you. Chickpeas are loaded with leucine, an amino acid that kickstarts muscle protein synthesis. Harvard research highlights how leucine can overcome age-related resistance in muscles, making it essential for folks over. Imagine that, a simple legume activating your body's muscle-building pathway. Try adding 150 grams of cooked chickpeas to meals 3 times a week. Toss them in salads, blend into soups with a dash of turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost, or whip up hummus for snacks. Easy, right? And affordable too. Canned ones are fine, just rinse to cut sodium. Speaking of easy wins, next up, peas. Yep, those green gems you might overlook. They're not just side dish filler, they're muscle allies. With 5.4 grams of protein per 100 grams, they add up when you eat them often. What sets peas apart? Their lysine content, an essential amino acid for muscle repair and collagen production. Collagen keeps your joints flexible and muscles supported, which declines with age. The Mayo Clinic points out how lysine-rich foods like peas help maintain physical function in seniors. Peas also pack leucine for that muscle synthesis spark and iron, about 1.5 milligrams per serving, to deliver oxygen to your muscles, fighting fatigue. Low iron can make you tire out fast, but peas help keep energy steady. Harvard notes iron's role in overall vitality as we age. Bonus, high fiber for digestion and weight management, keeping joints happy. Blend peas with almonds and olive oil for a spread on toast. Tasty and gut-friendly, or stir into soups and stir-fries. Small changes, big impact. Let me share a relatable story here. Take John, a 72-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. He was struggling, out of breath after yard work, arms shaky lifting his grandkids. Sarcopenia was hitting hard. But after hearing about plant-based boosts, he started adding chickpeas to his lunches and peas to dinners. Within months, he felt stronger. I went from barely mowing the lawn to playing catch with the kids again, he told me. John's doctor even noted improved muscle tone at his checkup. According to a study in Nutrients, folks like John who upped their protein from legumes saw real gains in strength. If John can turn it around, so can you. Now, for a surprise twist, spirulina. This blue-green algae sounds exotic, but it's a superfood powerhouse. Over 70% protein by dry weight, even more than chicken. A 3-gram serving gives 2 grams of complete protein with all essential amino acids, perfect for muscle repair in seniors. Studies show spirulina ameliorates anemia and boosts immunity in older adults, per research on senior citizens. And get this, NASA uses it for astronauts to stay healthy in space. If it's good for zero gravity, it's great for us earthbound folks. Spirulina's phycocyanin, that vibrant pigment, is a top antioxidant fighting inflammation and oxidative stress, which speed muscle breakdown. As we age, this damage piles up, but phycocyanin protects cells and aids recovery. Healthline backs its anti-inflammatory perks. Plus, 50 milligrams of iron in 3 grams keeps oxygen flowing to muscles, boosting endurance. Worried about the taste? It's earthy, but blend into smoothies with bananas or berries. Mass it perfectly. Or stir into water with lemon for better iron absorption. Start small, build up. Here's the thing, spirulina isn't just hype. A side story. Remember those astronauts? They rely on it for nutrient density in extreme conditions. Down here, it helps with energy and reducing soreness after walks or chores. Shifting gears to something familiar. Parsley, not just a plate decoration. This herb is loaded with apigenin, a flavonoid that slashes muscle inflammation. About 130 milligrams in 10 grams, enough to ease stiffness and soreness. Research shows apigenin enhances skeletal muscle hypertrophy and fights inflammation. Harvard links such antioxidants to lower inflammation overall. Parsley's vitamin K supports muscle contraction and bone strength, vital for balance and mobility. We need more as we age to inhibit calcium buildup in arteries, per Harvard. And vitamin C boosts collagen for resilient muscles and joints. Mayo Clinic emphasizes vitamin C's role in cartilage and muscle health. Add to smoothies, teas, or salads. Steep in hot water for a soothing brew. Add honey if you like. Last but not least, chives. These delicate greens are vitamin C champs, 90 milligrams in 100 grams, aiding collagen for muscle repair. As collagen dips with age, chives help keep things elastic. They're also rich in vitamin K for contraction and bone density, and quercetin, an antioxidant that tames inflammation post-activity. Mayo Clinic notes quercetin's benefits in reducing muscle damage when paired with vitamin C. Aim for 10 grams daily. Blend with avocado and yogurt for smoothies, or drizzle chive-infused oil on veggies. Simple, flavorful ways to reduce soreness and support strength. Now another inspiring tale. Susan, 65, from Florida, dealt with constant joint aches and fatigue, making her daily walks a chore. She added spirulina to her mornings and sprinkled parsley and chives on meals. It was like flipping a switch, she shared. Her inflammation dropped, energy soared, and she regained muscle tone for yoga classes. Studies echo this. Plant-based antioxidants like those in spirulina and herbs improve senior vitality. Susan's back to gardening pain-free. Relatable, huh? Wrapping up rebuilding muscle isn't complicated. These foods, chickpeas, peas, spirulina, parsley, chives, deliver protein, antioxidants, and more to fight sarcopenia. Backed by places like Harvard, Mayo Clinic, and research on seniors, they promote strength and independence. Start small, your body will thank you. If this helped, give it a like. It boosts the channel. Drop a comment. Which food will you try first? Stay strong, friends. See you next time.